Hello, we are here for one more lesson of the T-FLEX analysis training course. The topic for today will be processor settings, again for the forced oscillation analysis. Grabbing the same example we've seen already for this topic, when we are going to the solver after defining all the settings for this type of analysis. So we need to go, as you know already, analysis menu, then we go to solve option and we get this dialog box with several tabs where we can define conditions to execute the calculation. So most of these things, you know them already. They are equal to other types of studies, but there are minor differences important to understanding what is possible. The first one, and I would say the most different from other types of studies, it is this tab called parameters, where we can define frequencies, or saying a little better, we can specify the values for the frequencies of the external loads. So we can define them, we can manage them around here with this add, change, delete, import. So it is quite easy. For example, if we can or if we want to execute this analysis only on all resonance frequencies, which were found earlier with frequencies analysis performed, so we can get those results and we can use this function here and import a file to get those, I would say, special values to apply to this study. We can have also a couple of functions about damping, so mass factor and rigidity factor, so we can define this damping. And after this, a little already known, so we have a couple of parameters that we spoke already a couple of times, so I would say no need to spoke again about them. Also already seen this tab about Thermo effects, just to remember that these are parameters of temperature that influence the material properties specified. So we can have this in consideration for this study. And those are the big differences from previous studies seen. So after this, we go to the calculation and getting some results.